In this tutorial, I will show you how to send USDC from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. So let's dive into the video right now. And first of all, we're going to open our Phantom Wallet app. And from there, go ahead and click on the USD coin that you have in your account. So I'm going to transfer this. So I'm going to click on this in here. And now when I scroll down, I will see that the network of this USDC is Polygon. And that is really important for this transfer because we need to match this network with the network that we're receiving on Coinbase. So let's go back and click on Send. And now we need to click on USDC coin again on the Polygon network. And I saw that by this icon in here. So go ahead and select the right one and then click on USD coin. Once you are in here, go ahead and fill in the wallet address from Coinbase. So let's open our Coinbase to get this wallet address. So from Coinbase, we're going to click on transfer and then click on receive crypto. Once you are in here, select USDC. And I'm just going to search for it because maybe it is not popping up for you. Click on USDC, select the one that you have in your account. And then go ahead and select the same network as you just did on Phantom Wallet. So I selected Polygon, so I'm going to click on Polygon down below. And now you will have your wallet address in here. So I'm just going to copy this to my clipboard and now I'm going to paste this in Phantom Wallet. So click on paste from clipboard and now click on next. And once we are in here, we can enter the amount of USDC that we want to send. And I'm just going to send everything I have. So I'm going to click on max and I'm going to click on next. And in here I will see the details of my transaction, including the network fee. So everything is alright and I'm going to click on send all the way at the bottom. As you can see, everything is being sent. And according to Phantom Wallet, the transaction has been completed. So let's go ahead and click on close and open our Coinbase to see if the transaction is already there. So I can see in my Coinbase that the transaction is right now pending, and this will take a couple of minutes, maybe an hour, and then it will be visible in your account on your homepage. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.